What it do, team? Hey, today I'm putting what it do, Rich Money Team. Hope y'all like, subscribe, merch on the way. If you need the merch handmade by your boy, hit me up. Let me show y'all how to plug this tire real quick. This gonna be a quick vlog.
Hey, gotta get it and go. Why? Cause it's solid, I know. Can't go out like a hoe. Nah, cause I came to toes. Say that river, they fake. Cut the grass, we looking for snakes. I'm on my ground like he on the escape. He gon' eat shit, he came with a plate. For the cash, I'm on go. I remember days when the nigga was low. Stay down.
Damn. There we go. Oh, up in there. Shit. I need to get my tweezer. Yeah, there's a big ass L up in here. Now look out. I'm trying to get the L out without getting my pliers out the whip. So I gotta go get the pliers. I get that nail out. I'm gonna use my key. I'm gonna go plug it. Put a little more air in here. Kinda like a big hole. Get my channel box. Here we go. Alright, so watch how I do this. Alright, make sure your tire have a little air before you bring it out. You can hear the air coming out. Alright. You want to open your rubber cement. Open it up. Got a little hole in there. Let me get your rubber. And you want to put cement on there. Not all of it. You can use this pack a few times. This is dried up or something. Ain't shit up in here. Oh, my son. It was no cement in this hole, bro. Say, bro. It wasn't nothing in here. Yo, it wasn't nothing in here. They finesse like a motherfucker, bro. The fuck? I recorded this shit. Thank God I did, because it wasn't no cement in here. Bro. I need my fucking money back, bro. Was not shit in there, hoe, bro. What kind of shit? Bro. Fuck it. I'm still about to fix this hoe, bro, but I gotta twist this damn screw out. We gonna twist that boy out like a regular. I can't believe these niggas didn't have the rubber cement. There wasn't nothing in there, bro. Full of air, my nigga. That shit crazy. Get this screw up out of here. I'm just screwing the screw out regularly. And then you go hear air come out. This is a fucking nail, bro. This is a fucking bolt, nigga. This ain't even no damn screw. Like, come on now, bro. How the fuck you do this shit, Rich? Hey, bro, you coming back on my $7.99, bro. Cause that hoe didn't have nothing in there. Look at this shit, bro. This is a big ass fucking boat in this mug, bro. Look at this boat. Golly. This shit funny, bro. Put the hole in there. So here we go. We got that part. Get it up in there. We about to do it. Pretty good. Pretty good. Get it up out of there. Literally, the plug. Got it up in there. Plug PSI. Let's come back and let it air up. Should be good. Come back and check it when it gets recorded. No air coming off that thing. Let's see. Don't hear no air. Let's get it on 40. And we got the white rims coming to the fence. Which are the white rims or black? Man, coming soon. Alright, gang, that's the end of this vlog. Hope y'all learned how to fix your own plug in your tire, the real plug. Make sure y'all hit me up for your shirt. Send me them color schemes, man, because I want to make some stuff that nobody got. Everybody had their own thing. So we on 40 PSI. You heard the thing just stop. Alright. Oh, the battery all the way dead. Are we taking it out? Y'all don't hear no leaks? Do y'all hear any leaks? No. That's the end of the video. Make sure y'all see his ears up. I'm actually bringing y'all vlogs that y'all can apply to your everyday life. So subscribe to my channel. Check out the new outro intro.